Fresh inventory, 2017 Toyota Sienna handicap wheelchair conversion, just turned 42,000 miles. It is a VMI in-floor side entry, power side entry handicap wheelchair conversion van. This is a 2017 Sienna SE model, fully loaded out, white, gorgeous van, no accidents, Florida van, no rust whatsoever, no issues, no stories, fully serviced at the dealership. Gorgeous, gorgeous van. Everything works and functions perfectly. We are an authorized mobility service center and dealer, Brown Ability as well, and we service the ramp and everything when this vehicle came in. It's ready to go, has brand new tires, clean Carfax, clean title all the way. This is a local van here. Gorgeous condition. Give you the full tour. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We will price this van to sell. We do have financing options. We can ship anywhere in the world, and we do accept any type of trade-ins. So just let us know how we can help you. If you need any docking systems, seating options, transfer seats, and any tie downs, we can help you with any of that. Again, we do service and sales. We sell these new and used. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Been in business 48 years. Feel free to give us a call at 954-561-2499. The ramp is in brand new shape. Everything has been fully serviced and is ready to go on this van. Does come with tie downs and an extra seatbelt. Gorgeous black leather, SE model inside, so it's fully loaded out. L-tracks all the way around for your tie downs. Both front seats are quick release front seats, sunroof, navigation. Comes with 2 keys, a ton of service records. As you can see here, it's all the way there. Does have heated front seats, the seats and everything is immaculate. Just turned 42,000 miles. No lights on, runs perfectly. Again, there's really not much to say. The van is in excellent shape. It needs absolutely nothing. Everything is working and functioning perfectly. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You could also text us to that number. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You can visit us at Boca Raton, Florida. Check out our website at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. More than happy to help with any questions or concerns that you might have. Tires are brand new. Brand new tires. I mean, be hard to find another van just like this one. We will price it to sell. We're more than fair. Again, does come with all your tie downs, Q-straight retractors, power lift gate in the rear. Does come with your Q-straight retractors, extra seat belt. I mean, van is gorgeous. If you need any easy locks, Q locks, anything else, give us a call. Hand controls, we do everything in-house. Feel free to reach out to us anytime. Simple, easy setup. VMI conversion. 42,000 miles. It's super low mileage. (954-561-2499). Ask for Jeff or Ken. You know where to find us. The van is pretty laser straight. There's a couple tiny little marks in the front bumper, almost not noticeable at all. I'm being very picky. There is no rust whatsoever. There's one little mark here on the corner of the back bumper. Outside of that, this van is mint all the way around. You will not be sorry. The condition is excellent. Give us a call, 954-561-2499, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Give us a like, give us a follow. More than happy to help at any time. 48 years in business. Thank you.